On 13-4, this one's going to seem suspiciously easy to you, especially after that step block that we just completed on the other side of the handout. Okay, the same issue that we had with the step block, however, is what we have over here, in that we don't have a starting point picked out for us already. So always remember, start with your glass box, your total height, total width, total depth, and use a 5H pencil. Draw very, very light. I see an eraser booger here. I'm going to get that cleaned off. And we're going to start off really low, close to our title block. Okay. Now the longest part of this is off to the left. That's why I've adjusted everything to the right. And bring that to the right and complete it by putting your pencil in the intersection and drawing a vertical line. Now we're going to do our measurements. From the front to the back of the block is 1 1/2 inch. So I'm going to make a little dot and project that up. Okay. From the right side to the left side is 4 inches. So I'm going to line this up. Make a dot. Extend. And then finally the total height is 2 1/2 inch. So I'm going to measure two and a half. Now keep in mind, I have my 45-degree triangle out, but I have it off to the side because I don't really need it for isometric drawings. That's your best friend during orthographics, but in isometrics, the 30, 60, 90 triangle is the one that you will use the most. Okay, now I have the tops of these, so I need to finish creating my glass box by using those intersecting points. And this is my glass box. I definitely have plenty of space from any of the border lines, so I can continue on. So, looking at the orthographic images, the front view shows that all the way to the right we have this slope, and it starts 3/4 of an inch up from the very base. So I'm going to measure 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and from the side view, it's going to create a long line over there. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to darken that in, or actually I'll just extend it over for the moment. Okay. The slope starts not from the very end, but it comes from the front over, or sorry, from the right side over 3 1/4 inch before. So just keeping life easy on me, that's 3/4 inch from the left side. Make a dot. Extend that over. Okay. And then finally, no, it doesn't give me an angle to use for here to here. All you have to do is connect those two intersections. Okay, there's one side. And there's the other. And then go in and darken in your object lines and you have created your gauge block. So I'm going to just quietly finish mine up. And just keep in mind, if you take the time to find your starting and stopping point to begin with, you won't have to spend as much time cleaning up your endpoints at the end. But make sure you do clean them up in case you have an overlapping line or an ugly intersection. Okay. And there is your gauge block.